Hey friends, let's learn how to draw a fish in 7 easy steps. Feel free to add your own style and customize your fish in every step. Step 1. Let us begin by drawing an oval. Step 2. Draw a curved line within the oval. Step 3. Draw 2 circles for the eyes. Shade the inside circle black. Step 4. Let's work on the fins of the fish. We will draw a curved line at the line indicating the gills. We will draw another curved triangular shape at the right hand side of the oval. Step 5. Draw 2 circles along the left hand side of the oval for the lips. Step 6. Draw many curved lines on top of the oval to add some fins. Step 7. Final step. Add as many details as you want, like scales, folds, and similar patterns. And now you know how to draw a fish. Don't forget to give it some color. Thank you for watching and have a great day.